In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scenario in Make.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. When you first log into Make.com, you'll see your organization dashboard. Here, you'll find different workspaces or perhaps a list of scenarios you've previously created. Your first task is to locate the button that allows you to create something new. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Create a New Scenario. This is your gateway to starting a new automation project. Go ahead and click that button now. Once you click it, you'll see a completely blank canvas appear. This canvas is a vital part of the platform. It's where the magic happens. You can think of this blank space as your creative workspace. This is your chance to visualize and bring your workflow to life. Now, let's talk about the building blocks of your scenario. Modules. Each of these modules represents a specific step in your process. The idea here is quite simple. You're going to add and connect these modules to automate your routine tasks. You can imagine it like creating a flowchart. Each module connects to the next, allowing different platforms, tools, and integrations to communicate with each other. Start by identifying the first action you want to automate. For instance, if you're looking to connect your email to your project management tool, you'll find a module for each application within Make.com. The platform has a wide range of pre-built modules available, so take your time exploring the library. When you find the module you want, simply drag it onto the canvas. Once your first module is in place, it's time to configure it. Click on the module, and you will see settings that you can customize. This step is essential, as it dictates how data will flow in and out of this module. You might need to enter your account details or select specific information you want to integrate. Don't worry, Make.com provides a user-friendly interface that guides you through each step. After setting up your first module, it's time to add additional modules based on the steps of your workflow. Connect them by drawing lines between the modules. This is how they communicate. For instance, if your first module is an email trigger, your next module might be an action in your project management tool. As you build your scenario, keep in mind that the order of these modules matters. The sequence will define how information flows from one step to the next. It's a bit like following a recipe. You want to make sure you're adding and mixing the ingredients